Gonna read more books. Gonna keep up with the news. Spend less money on shoes.
There's no need to wait until January to make new resolutions. When it's February, June or December, in my opinion, wanting to become a better person at any time around this year is always a good idea. And this song from Jamie Cullum is packed with ideas of resolutions for you and I to get inspired. So turn up the volume, DJ.
Next year, things are gonna change. Gonna drink less beer and start all over again. Gonna read more books. Gonna keep up with the news. Gonna learn how to cook. Spend less money on shoes.
Whether you did get inspired with these resolutions or not, you must have noticed the repetitive use of the word gonna. Gonna keep up, gonna read, gonna learn. And I know your English teacher must have explained to you already that we use gonna to crush the word going and to together, to speak faster or to sound more like a native, right? However, there are times when we cannot use gonna, and here are the 3 exceptions. Now, the first one and most obvious is that gonna is only used for spoken English. So it's incorrect to use it in written English. You don't want to write gonna in your essay for school. The second one is when you use going to, followed by a place or a direction. So for example, you'd say, I'm going to London next week, and not I'm gonna London next week. And the third case is when we use going followed by a verb ending in ing. Again, here, we're not gonna use gonna, because you can never say, I'm gonna shopping now. Instead, you would have to say, I'm going to go shopping now, or I'm going shopping now. And let me know if you have any more doubts with the use of gonna. So this was our first episode of our new series, Learn with Lyrics. So please drop me a comment below and tell me which songs you would like to listen and learn from with me next. See you later.
If you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up. Then hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Have a look around our channel for more hacks and tips. And if you're watching on another social media platform, like or follow our page. See you next time.